everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, it's been a while. I'm so sorry. The sun is setting. I'm feeling amazing, to be honest. I feel energized, and that's something that I haven't felt in a while, so I'm really happy. And well, the sunset is just so beautiful. But let's talk about the big elephant in the room, because there is a reason why I wasn't that really active on YouTube. And I mean, the story is really long, so I will keep it short, of course, because I don't want to bore you. But well, maybe you saw it in the title, but me and my boyfriend broke up. After 13 years we broke up, and we are still friends. I mean, I still love him. He's an amazing guy. He knows I still love him, but it's just not something we can go on as a relationship. So for now we have broke up, and I think it will stay that way, because I feel so more positive about myself and so happy, and I wish him nothing but the best. So I hope he's getting his life amazing back on track, of course, and just doing all the happy things he wants, because he deserves that. Yes, we have broke up, and I moved back in with my parents, so that's a thing. I mean, I have the age for being married and having children and that kind of stuff, but that's okay. I mean, sometimes life is going another way. So and I'm not even really mad about it. So I think it's a good thing. I feel really energized. I am so happy. I don't have any panic attacks anymore. Just my anxiety is so low, and I mean, that's something you want, right? Because I had anxiety attacks almost every single day, and then when I had them, it's more times on a day. So when I finally saw my anxiety attacks went away, I knew it's for the best. So for now we are just friends, and it's working great. So yes, let's talk about Simba, because you all know now we had a puppy together. Simba is on his name, so I couldn't take it. And since I couldn't take him, I was heartbroken, because I couldn't live without Simba, I thought, but turns out I can. But I still miss him. I still miss him really bad. I mean, he's my little baby, and I just love him, and I want to see him every single day if I can, but it's not possible because my ex-boyfriend is living 1 hour drive away from me, and it's a little bit an expensive joke to go every single day to see my puppy. But I can still see him sometimes, and that makes me really happy. So I know how he's doing, and I know he's healthy right now and happy, and he gets all the attention he deserves. So that's something that makes me really relaxed, because there are stories on the internet that are really bad about the dogs, and I'm happy that's not my story. So yes, we are friends now, and Simba is doing okay, but it's not with me. Well, the next story, since I got back home, it's now a couple weeks ago, by the way. A couple weeks ago I've been back home at my parents, and I was missing Simba so bad. So I was crying every single day about Simba, because I just love that dog, and I wanted to get him all around me. And on that moment my ex-boyfriend and I weren't that on a good note, so I couldn't see him whenever I want. So it makes it a little bit harder. So my parents and my little brother thought it was a good idea to give me my own dog. So now I have my own little puppy, and I cannot wait till the day my puppy and Simba will meet. because I think they will like each other. There are both dogs that are not afraid of other dogs and just love to be around other dogs and play, and that's a good thing. So I really cannot wait till they meet, and I hope Simba isn't jealous about me having another dog. But I also have my own life, and I wanted this dog for a long time, and her name, it's a her name is Luna, and I will insert a clip right here of her because she is so freaking cute.
Luna, Luna, hi, hi. Oh, je bent zo mooierd. Je bent zo mooierd. Hallo. Oh, koppieschijn. Oh, je bent zo knapperd. Ja. Oh, oh. Oh jee, hatsjoe. Bless you. Bless you. Luna? Are you okay? Oh, yeah, I guess so. Oh. You're so cute. Yeah, you're so cute.
So yes, she is a Pomeranian dog, and I just love her. She is so happy and enjoyable and makes life so great, and I just love her. She makes me really happy. So what are my plans for the future and my plans for my YouTube channel? Well, of course, autumn is here and Christmas is just around the corner. Okay, I think Christmas is just around the corner because it's really close. And you know, I love to make videos in the autumn time and Christmas time. It's just, it makes me really happy. So yes, as much as I enjoy summer, I mean, I love the warmth, but I am really happy autumn is here and winter is coming with Christmas content. So I will make all the content I can for Christmas and autumn and make it all cozy, because I cannot wait to make some cozy videos that are the best. I just like them the best. So I will make those. And something I am still not sure about, because I am thinking about having my own apartment or getting my own van, as in my own little house on wheels. I mean, I love to travel. I really love to travel, and I just want to travel more. So I think it's a good idea to travel all around Europe with my little baby Luna and see everything in Europe and just make the best of it and just have my own home on wheels. But I am still not totally sure, because having my own apartment is also so fun, and I just want my own place, and I don't know how long it will take. I mean, you need a lot of patience and money, of course, to have your own place, whatever you choose. And in the Netherlands it's even that bad. Sometimes you have to wait for 10, 20, maybe more years before you can get your own house. So it can take a while, but we will see what the future brings me. I cannot wait to see what it brings me, and I am just enjoying the moment on this moment. So because I don't know, I'm just feeling happy, I'm feeling energized. It's so different from how I felt before, and I hadn't any idea it was because of the relationship. I don't blame him anything about that, because I was the person who needed to see that and I didn't, so I don't blame him. But for now, I am just happy how it turned out. We are friends, I am happy, my anxiety for now is gone. So yes, it's weird, but amazing. And we will see what the future brings us. From now on you will see me and little Luna. I hope you love Pomeranians, because I will show her a lot. And I cannot wait. Also, one thing that is a little bit weird for me, I am not the kind of person that wants to take clothes on a dog, but people told me it is necessary to put a sweater on a Pomeranian or on a really small dog like a Chihuahua, because they can be really cold and even can be getting a heart attack when it's really cold and they're not having a sweater on. So that's something I need to do, but I'm a little bit scared of it because dogs don't need clothes in my opinion. So yeah, it will take time, but it's still the beginning of September, so I have time to just get used to it. So yes, that's a life update. I mean, that was a hard one, but I think it's a good one. A lot has happened, but I am just happy. I hope you are happy too, because all the content is back and all the autumn stuff is back, and I cannot wait to go to the Primark again and just do everything. I want to show everything I have bought in Primark, just to show you everything I love, and just show you all the things you can buy for autumn and winter at Primark. And come on, we all love a little bit of Primark, we all love a little bit of a bargain. That's something that makes me happy, and all the Christmas content, because I'm gonna show every garden center in the whole freaking world, in the whole freaking land. I'm sorry, I can be a little bit excited, but I cannot wait, and I will vlog my own life, and hopefully my friends are okay with getting on camera and just enjoy everything. So yeah, that's the thing. it's getting better and better. So let me know everything you want to see for autumn and winter and Christmas, and just leave me a comment down below. Just tell me everything you want to see, and I will make it. I promise. I promise. And yeah, a house tour is not something I can do right now because I'm not in my own home. I'm at my parents' home, so it's their house, so it's not really my style. I mean, I can show you of course, but it's not the thing I choose for myself. That's something you need to know. But yes, I have my own room back. Little Luna is sleeping with me. And yeah, life is getting better every single day, so I'm happy with that. And yesterday I went to the spa with a friend, and my hair is getting a little bit frizzy. I feel it's a little bit, yeah, I don't know, it's silky and frizzy at the same time, and that's why I'm touching it every single second. But the spa was amazing. So yes, okay, I think that's it. I mean, I have nothing to talk about anymore, and everything I needed to say has been said now. Yes, just let me know what you think about this video, because I love to do a drive with me of course, but I don't know if you like to see those. Yes, I hope you can see I'm a little bit happier and more energized, and it's better to watch my videos in this moment. So yes, I will see you in the next video. Have an amazing week. I love you guys, and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.